Alright, what's up guys? I've been out on work for a little bit, but when I returned, had these 4 boxes, so I thought it'd be a good time to do a live unboxing. So I know what all they are, but I just don't know what knives are in which. So let's start with this one. Alright. Alright, I'm not going to look at this, I think this is Spyderco, but I'm not going to look at the side yet, because I want to be surprised which one. Oh, okay, cool. Awesome, yeah. This is a Sage 2. It's pre-owned, but I had a Sage 2, but I had modded it so much that I kind of wanted to start over again. So I found this for a very good deal. And the only thing it has is like a roll or a small chip. Get it to focus. Yeah, like right there. But good lockup. So yeah, glad to start over with a kind of a stock Sage 2, and I will get that nick out no problem. So put that there, and yeah, so that's a good one, Sage 2. So let me use this for the rest of the unboxing. So okay. Okay, I know what this is. Yeah, awesome. So this is my Techno II. So I've had a Techno II, but I got a micarta scale put on it, and it is a bit off center now, but it lightens the knife up so much. We'll see if I keep this or not, because it looks like it's having some lockup problems. Yeah, we'll see. But micarta scale done very good by a guy on Instagram who makes Emerson scales mainly. His name's Doug. I'll put a link to his Instagram if I remember. But love the Techno. Glad it's back. It's more of a slip joint now with the scale on it. But I got the stock scale, so I will probably put it back on. I don't know what I'll do with this. We'll see. But yeah, there's that. So let's move on to the next one. And I definitely know what this is because by process of elimination. And this one is taped pretty good. Oh, I actually got this one wrong. Awesome. But I do know what it is now. Alright, this is coming from USA Made Blades. So I've got some swag, clean cloth, and really looking forward to this knife. Alright. Ooh, comes with a patch. And you guys might already know what it is right now. This is the, hold on guys. Alright, sorry about that. This is the George VCP. Perfectly centered. Wow. That big cutout. And they even put jimping right there. It's kind of crazy. Hefty knife. Wow. Good deployment. Awesome stonewash. And very well done. Very smooth. Ooh, it's comfortable. This has a great area for your hand. Good access to the lock bar. Man, I like this. Wow. Alright, now the last one. Let's see. Tactical peanuts. Alright, this is coming from Knife Joy. Pretty cool sticker. Sign up for their newsletter. Receive 10% off your next purchase. So, there you go guys, 10% off. Knife Joy. Alright. And check this one out guys. Again, I had a Spidey Chef that I had modded out a lot. And I kind of wanted to start over with a stock one, so what better way than the Knife Joy exclusive, which matches their sleeve spoolie. Man, that one came out nice. Good lockup, no blade play. Yeah, I like this one. Alright, there you go guys. I had 2 that were pre-owned, or owned before, and then 1 new one, which is very cool. I wonder if I can front flip this. It wants to go because it's got some jimping there. Let's see if I can do it behind the camera. There we go. Alright guys, I will see you on the next one.